In this video, we will learn to calculate the ratio in which a point divides the line segment joining two points. Now, here, in what ratio does the point P, A minus 1, divide the join of A, 1 and minus 3 and B, 6 and 2? Hence, find the value of A. So, what we will do is, we will draw a line segment. We have A and 1 and minus 3. And then we have B, the coordinates are 6 and 2. Fine. And there is a point P which is having the coordinates as A and minus 1. Now, it is dividing this line segment in some ratio, say for example m is to n, and we have to calculate this ratio, right? Now, we know the section formula x equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n and y equal to my2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. Now here we have to choose which one should we take. Should I take the x coordinate or y coordinate? Obviously I will take the y coordinate. Why? Because if I take the x coordinate, this is my x and minus 1 is my y. This is my x1 and this is my y1. This is my x2 and this is my y2. If I choose x, I will have 3 unknowns over there. So I will go for y coordinate. So I will write y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now, what is my y? My y is minus 1. What is my m? I don't know. I have to calculate that. What is my y2? My y2 is 2. What is my n? I don't know. I have to calculate that. What is my y1? It is minus 3 divided by m plus n, right? Now, I will cross multiply. I will get minus m and minus n equal to 2m minus 3n, right? Now, if I shift this 3n to this side and this n to this side, what will I get? 3n minus n equal to 2m plus m. This becomes 2n equal to 3n. Now, if I shift this n under this m, this 3 will come here. So, I will get 2 by 3 equal to m by n. Oh, I found the ratio m is to n as 2 is to 3. Right? Now, you see, if I would have taken the x coordinate and written x equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, then here I had to write a, right? So a I cannot calculate, fine. That is why I took the y coordinate here. Now after that he wants me to find the value of a. Now a is at x's place, so x equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. X is a, so I will substitute x as a. M now I have found, how much is that? 2. x2, that is 6, plus n I have found as 3. And what is my x1? It is 1 upon m plus n, which is 5. Cross multiply, you will get 5a equal to 12 plus 3. So 5a equal to 15. So your a is equal to 15 upon 5. 5 3s are, you have found the value of a. Right? That's how we calculate the ratio. Let's do one more sum based on that so that it's clear. He is saying that in what ratio does the point P 2 and minus 5 divide the join of A and B? So we have A, which is minus 3 and 5, and we also have B, which is 4 and minus 9. And then there is a point P whose coordinates are 2 and minus 5. And we have to find in which ratio this P divides the join of AB. Now let's write, this is x1, y1. This is my x2 and this is my y2. This you should always write, it will help you always. This is x and this is y. Right? Now here both are numbers. In the previous question we had one as a and another as some number. That is why we took the y coordinate. Here you have both the numbers. You can pick any of the numbers and you will get the same answer, same ratio, even if you are taking x or y. Right? Let's take the y x coordinate. So x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. Now what is my x? X is 2. What is my n? I don't know. I have to calculate that. What is my x2? It is 4. What is my n? I don't know. What is my x1? Minus 3. Divided by m plus n. I will write as it is. I don't know the values. Now cross multiply. I will get 2m plus 2n equal to 4m minus 3n. So I will shift this 2m to this side and 3n to this side. This will become plus when it will come this side. 2n equal to 4m minus 2n. So I got 5n equals to 2n. Now I want n by n. Shift this n this side. 2 will go this side. So this will be 5 by 2 equal to m by n. Oh, I found the ratio. M is to n is equal to 5 is to 2. So in what ratio does the point divide the join of this and this? In the ratio 5 is to 2.